Number 30. There were 650 people at the play. The admission price was $2 for adults and $1 for children, and then the admission receipts were a total of $970. We would like to know how many adults and how many children attended. So the idea is that we have a bunch of kids and then a bunch of adults, perhaps their parents. They went to the play, and it costs each kid $1 to go in, and then $2 for each adult. We don't know how many kids, how many adults there were, so in order to solve this question, let me use variables to represent first. Let me say I have X many kids, Y many adults. Okay, so that will be the start. X stands for the number of kids, Y stands for the number of adults. And let's read the questions again. The first sentence says, there were a total of 650 people at the play. So in another word, we know that if we add X plus Y, we must get 650 because there were a total of X many kids, Y many adults, so altogether there must be 650 people. What else do we know? We know that it costs each adult $2 and $1 for the children. Imagine if you have 10 kids, then you are going to get 1 times 10, $10 from the kids. If you have, let's say, 50 adults, then how much are you going to make? You are going to do 2 times 50, you're going to get $100. The idea is that you take the 1 and then you want to multiply with the X. This will tell you how much money you will be able to receive from the kids. And then right here, you are going to be doing the same. You are going to take the 2 and then you multiply by the Y, however many adults there were, okay, and this will be the amount of money that you get from the adults. Altogether, if you add them up, then we are going to get a total of $970. And these are the two equations with two unknowns, and we just need to solve these equations. That will be it. So let me just kind of put out the questions right here. We have X plus Y equals to 650, and then X plus 2Y is equal to 970. How would you like to solve this question? You have choices. You can use the elimination method, or you can use the substitution method. It's up to you. But then I see that here's X and here's X. It would be much nicer if I multiply everything by -1 on the first equation, so that I will be able to produce a negative X. Then the negative X will cancel with this positive X, and I would like to do that. So if we do that, here we are going to get -1 times X, that's negative X, and don't forget to distribute, that's what I'm doing right here. -1 times Y is minus Y, -1 times 650, that's equal to -10650. The second equation stays the same. X plus 2Y equals to 970. And then if we add these two equations together, and as we talk about it just now, the negative X and the positive X will cancel each other out. And we will just have the Y. Well, -Y plus 2Y is equal to Y. And that will be equal to 650, that's negative, plus 970. So in another word, you can just do 970 minus 650, and then we are going to get 320. So we have a total of 320. The Y stands for the adults. Okay, so we have 320 adults, and let's just plug in 320 into this equation to find out however many kids there were. And let's do that. So we know that X plus the Y becomes 320 because we found it. And that's equal to the total of 650 people. Well, we are just going to minus 320 on both sides. This way we can cancel this out, and then I will get the X by itself. X is equal to 330. And this is the number of children there were. So we have 330 children, 320 adults. And that's answer choice B. right here.